Hi, I'm Cathy Thomas, and you can taste the love in Gretchen Shoemaker's dishes. The grits served at her eatery, George's, at the Anaheim Packing House, are irresistible. She's here to share some of her secrets. Welcome, Chef.
Thank you.
You're going to be making grits, and I love grits. And you're going to add seafood?
Yes, I am. Shrimps.
Oh boy, I can hardly wait.
Me neither.
Show me all your secrets.
Okay. Well, first, we're going to start off with boiling water, okay?
Right.
We need 3 cups.
All right.
Okay.
I'll turn the burner on high.
When the water starts boiling, then we're going to add our grits. And grits is definitely from the South. I'm from Pennsylvania. So this is a new thing to my diet because of my husband. He was from Virginia and they ate grits. In the North, we ate potatoes.
Now, did his family teach you how to make these grits?
No, I had to ask friends later in life.
And you can make them sweet or savory, right?
Yes, or put cheese in them. You can do so many things with grits. And grits doesn't have to be a breakfast meal. It can be a dinner meal. Stir it in, because you don't want it to be lumpy. It's just like cooking cream of wheat. Salt and pepper.
And about how long do we need to cook it?
Less than 5 minutes. I never timed it, you know. We cooks who cook at home, we don't time anything. And we don't measure anything, you know?
Right.
Yeah. The butter.
Oh, you gotta have the butter.
Butter, yes.
All right.
Okay.
Heat off.
Now I'm gonna put a little bit more butter in, because that's what gives it its good taste. Okay, it's great. This is the consistency we're looking for.
Okay, it's still a little soupy.
Yes.
But it's thicker.
Yes. Put this in the bowl. Okay. Then the next step is we're going to fry some shrimps. We're going to put oil in a pan.
Throw them in.
Yes.
Okay. Is this one serving?
Yes, it is.
So for one serving, you do 5
Shrimps.
Medium small shrimps that are shelled and deveined.
Yes.
All right.
Let them turn a little bit more color. With the red onions and the green pepper.
And it's a generous amount.
Yes. Okay. Because you want the color.
It's beautiful.
Yes, I think so.
You want a little bit of crunch left?
Yes, we do. So I'm not going to cook them all the way.
All right.
Onions, green peppers, and red pepper cooked together. It smells so good.
And that combination of vegetables is used over and over and over again in Southern cooking.
Yes, it is.
It smells delicious,
Yes,
Gretchen. Just delicious.
Yes, it does. We use Creole seasoning. And then we make our own. So that's a secret.
That's okay. There are Creole seasoning mixes in the
That
market.
you can buy, yes.
I know that Emerald makes one and Zatarain makes one. So you could substitute those since we can't arm wrestle you for the recipe.
No, but I like that you don't want to arm wrestle.
Yes. Now, sometimes do you put cheese in the grits?
Yes, we do. Here it is.
My mouth is watering, Chef.
So happy.
Oh, it just smells. It looks gorgeous.
I'm so happy. My great-grandson called these trees.
Oh, yeah.
So we're going to put some trees in it.
Chef, this has been so much fun. You made it look so easy. I just know it's going to be delicious. I'm going to get out a big spoon.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Here's a quick tip from Melissa's. Usually I think of shishito peppers as restaurant bar snacks or appetizers. I love their grassy flavor, but I discovered that you don't have to deep fry them. At home, you can fry them in a small amount of oil and they blister beautifully. So you want to start with a 12-inch deep skillet. Add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, just enough to coat the bottom. So I'm going to give this a good swirl. And I've got it on high heat, just high, and then I'm going to turn it down to medium high, but I wanted to get it to almost smoking. Okay, in go the shishito peppers, and they're starting to sizzle. I can hear them. So we want to fry these until they're just nicely blistered on one side. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes, and then we're going to turn them over and cook them another 2 to 5 minutes. Okay, these look nicely blistered. Oh, and the smell is wonderful. So these are going to go another couple of minutes. These look beautiful. Out they come. And now, some coarse salt and a good toss. And I never had to fire up the deep fryer. Delicious, grassy, a little spicy. Mmm. The produce aisles are filled with so many delicious choices. Try something new, have an adventure.